What's the best funnel software? Well, if that's the question you're asking, and if you're considering platforms like GoHighLevel versus ClickFunnels or Kajabi versus Kartra or Zenler versus Leadpages, honestly, you're kind of asking the wrong question. Because even though every business has a sales funnel, most businesses don't use software options like those. And if you do choose one of those software options, well, they certainly have their time and place. Most likely you'll end up significantly overpaying, and you'll also find that those software options will waste a lot of your time because they're way more complex than you actually need. So, when I'm talking about a funnel software or funnel platform, we're talking about a software that enables you to build different pages for your sales funnel, so different web pages, and then also communicate with your customers in different ways via email, sometimes via text marketing, if you're looking at something like Go High Level, and to manage your leads and see where they are in the process through your sales funnel. And they often include a lot of bells and whistles and all sorts of different automation. And the marketing pitch on these funnel platforms is that they are a great deal because you don't have to pay for all these different types of software that you would need. And instead, you can just pay for a single platform, and that they are even more convenient also because you don't have to be switching between a bunch of different pieces of software. But I've been running my online business for over 8 years now, about 9 years now. And I've tried lots of different funnel setups in that time. And I've tried using some of those all-in-one options as well as piecemeal. And it used to be back in the day, I would say like pre-COVID, that I did use quite a few different pieces of software and piece different things together. But the longer I've been in business, the longer I've been doing digital marketing, the simpler I've done things, because I really found that keeping things, even sales funnels, simpler gets me better results. And what does a sales funnel look like if you keep it simple? Well, super big picture with your sales funnel, you need a way that customers initially discover you, then a way that you establish contact with them. And this could be them visiting your website, and then a way that you actually get connected with them. That's often them signing up for your email list. And then from there, you are going to use email and sometimes live events or other content to warm them up, develop a relationship with them, get them ready to buy until you ultimately make a pitch to them. And you can do that via email marketing and run some sort of sale or promotion, or you can do it with some other sort of conversion event like a live webinar or a challenge. And then ultimately you close the sale generally with a sales page and or a checkout page. Now, of course, there are lots of variations when it comes to exactly what you include in your digital sales funnel. But big picture, that's what they pretty much all look like. So now let's think about what pieces of software or even just different components you actually need to be able to build something like this. Well, first of all, you need somewhere where you are advertising your business or getting visibility for it. This oftentimes is you posting content on YouTube, or you using social media, or sometimes paid ads generally on social media, right? So none of those are really things that a funnel software would possibly help you with, right? From there, we go to the website. Now, all of these different funnel software options, they generally include a website because a website is a really important part of most sales funnels. So you could do that with a sales funnel software or a sales funnel platform, but you also can just do it with any old website builder, honestly. You can use Squarespace or Wix or WordPress, of course. There are plenty of great options out there these days. Okay, so website, that's the first real asset you need for your sales funnel. And then what comes next? Well, it might be a different page on your website, or it might be them opting into your email list. And so that would be the next thing you need. You need some sort of email marketing software. You need a way to do email marketing, a way to manage your list and manage your leads. So for that, we need some sort of email marketing platform, or sometimes this is called an email service provider, an ESP. So that's the second thing you need. Now, what else might you need? Well, if you want to do a webinar, you could use a funnel software, or you could use a webinar software. Or what I do these days is I just put the video on YouTube or on Vimeo, and then I embed it onto a page in my website. And I do it that way if it's like a evergreen recorded webinar. Or if I want to do a live webinar, I just use Zoom. And most of us already have a Zoom account, right? And that's the third thing that maybe you need is some way to like host live events. And honestly, that's something that even the best funnel software does not do well. And many of them don't do it at all. We all know that Zoom or else streaming via something like StreamYard or even Vimeo or YouTube, those are the best options. Those are the platforms that are really built for streaming. And so if you want to host some sort of live webinar or workshop or anything like that, you're going to go use one of those tools, not your funnel software. Okay, so at this point, we have two, maybe three tools: website, email marketing software, maybe some way to stream like Zoom. And then the final part would be you have your webinar or your conversion event, whatever that looks like, and you need some way to actually facilitate the sale, right? You need a sales page and or a checkout page. Now, you can do this with a sales funnel software to be sure, but you also can just do it with a page on your website and whatever payment processor you choose to use. And the truth is that even if you have a sales funnel software, you are also going to need to create an account with a payment processor like PayPal or Stripe. And then you'll be integrating that account with your sales funnel software. So, what you can do instead is you can just build the sales page on your website. It's just as easy. And then you can create that account with your payment processor and you can use their checkout form on your website. Or you can use their checkout form because Stripe and PayPal, they have checkout forms that you can link your sales page to. Or most email marketing software options these days, I know for sure System.io and MailerLite and Kit, which are all the ones that I like and generally recommend, they all have an option to integrate your payment processor, Stripe or PayPal, directly with your email marketing software and use that as your cart. So you need a payment processor, but you're going to need that whether you have a funnel software or not. And that's the last thing that you need. So at the end of the day, all you need to build a sales funnel is a website, email marketing software, maybe something like Zoom to host live video events, and then a payment processor that will facilitate checkout. And two of those four things, Zoom and the payment processor, you're going to need even if you also have the funnel software. So all the funnel software would actually be replacing at this point is your website and your email marketing software. And personally, I would way rather go and get the best website builder, the one I really want, and also the best email marketing software, the one that I know will give me the best results, rather than choose the jack of all trades option that is the quote, best sales funnel software, because I know it's not going to have as good of a website builder. And the website that it creates isn't going to rank as well on Google because it doesn't have as good of SEO. And the email marketing, it's not going to work as well because it's not a specialized tool that was specifically designed for that. So if you're wondering what I like to use for my sales funnel, I use Squarespace for my website and I use Kit for my email marketing. And of course, for both of those parts, there's lots of other great options out there as well. For email marketing specifically, aside from Kit, I also really like MailerLite, and it's a little cheaper. It doesn't have quite all the features and the advanced capabilities that Kit has, but it has everything you need and more. And both Kit and MailerLite, they both do include those checkout pages and even landing pages as well. So you can actually get by without the website at all, at least for now, and get started with just email marketing software, either MailerLite or Kit. And by the way, both MailerLite and Kit have great free plans that aren't just free trials, but are actually indefinite free plans that you can use just until you get up to a certain number of subscribers. I believe that MailerLite lets your account be free for up to 2,000 subscribers and includes all of their automations and features, whereas Kit gives you a free account for up to 10,000 subscribers, but the limitations on how many automations and email sequences and that sort of thing is a little bit more limited. So to wrap this all up, if you've been wondering what funnel software you should use or what the best funnel software is, I would like to submit that you're asking the wrong question and that you don't actually need a funnel software at all, that it will be overkill, that it will be overpriced because really all you'll be replacing is your website and email marketing. And perhaps most importantly, sales funnel software is going to be more complicated than it needs to be and end up wasting a lot of your precious time. Okay, I'm gonna get off my sales funnel software soapbox now and jump on another one because here's the thing. The biggest, most important thing when it comes to your sales funnel's success and how profitable it can be is not what software you use or what platform you choose. It is your strategy, how you decide to construct your sales funnel in terms of what steps and what order, and of course, your messaging are actually going to have a much bigger impact on the results that your sales funnel can create. Now, that is certainly beyond the scope of this video, but if you want to learn my sales funnel strategy, then check down below for the link to sign up for my free 10-episode podcast series called The 100K Method. The 100K Method is the sales funnel strategy that I like to use and use for all my clients, and I would love to share it with you, like I said, for free. So click that link down below to sign up, or just go to gillianperkins.com/100k-method-sign up. Totally free, and it's only 10 episodes long, so you can binge listen to the whole thing over just the next couple of days. If you learned something today or found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing for more videos all about how to start and grow successful online businesses. And of course, give the video a like as well. And then next up, check out this video right here, because the fact of the matter is you might not be quite ready for a funnel software at all. And you might just need to learn how to get your online business to get off the ground and start making your first sale.